Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel at Pics. I am Payal. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share with you all a very easy and beginner friendly Madhubani bird painting. I draw two birds sitting on a tree branch. It is a very colorful and very easy to make. As usual, I draw a big border because bordering is a part of Madhubani painting. I draw the picture outline directly with the black gel pen. But if you want, you can draw it with pencil first, then you can finalize it with black gel pen. If you want to draw this painting, you can visit my Instagram account to saw the final result. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen. For coloring, I generally used Tom's 14 set poster color or Fevicryl 12 set acrylic color. As usual, black and white gel pen and color fine liner pens wherever they required. I want to make a request for all of you. Please at least give a like after you watching my videos. Also, share my paintings with your friends and family, your valuable comments in my comment section, and if you are a new one, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more such beginner friendly videos. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.